Two. This is the elevator at McDonald's.
Yeah, that's
Squidward. Yeah. Ah! God. Apparently it's going up. Alright. This is number 2. Nah. You hear some whip? Does that work? Oh, you can actually go upstairs.
Yeah, we have to walk downstairs.
Customers or not.
Disabled, we have to walk downstairs.
No, it's for the people that are disabled.
Oh. I'd have to go downstairs.
Here it is. Alright, let's go to 1. Where we'll be greeted by a thing of rope. So obviously it's a very basic Schindler elevator. There's Nathan. And we're stopping. We're probably gonna pick up a bunch of people.
Yay.
Never seen a VR with the stop. Going down?
Yes, please.
Alright.
Okay. Yeah, short and just.
This is small size, not the big do that.
And here we are. That's it.